Hey there and welcome back to my channel. During last week's video, I shared 5 simple tips on how to dine out without backtracking on your weight loss progress. Now, if you missed that video, you can check it out here or just click on the link in the description box below. Now, this week, I want to focus on healthy eating strategies you can use at home. Specifically, I want to share with you my favorite hack for adding more protein into your morning routine. And yes, this hack will work even if you're not a breakfast person. So stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this one. Hey there, I'm Brittany and I'm the face behind MisfitFarmer.com. Every week I deliver videos on how to simplify your fitness routine and enjoy lasting weight loss. If you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss when a video drops. Now, it's been said that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. You see, a healthy breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout your day. It can give you the needed energy to be alert and focused, whether it be at school or at work, and it can help offset cravings later on in the day. But what do you do when you're just not a breakfast person? Better yet, how do you find the time to eat when you already struggle to get yourself, your kids, and that fur baby of yours out the door on time? The answer is simple. The answer is protein coffee. Yes, that cup of coffee that you drink in the morning can work in your favor and help you inch closer to your fitness goals. But if you're loading your cup of coffee with sugar, artificial flavors, and cream, you're doing yourself a disservice. You see, protein coffee is a simple and effective way to give your body the nutrients it needs without the added calories from fats and carbs. What's more, starting off your day with a healthy dose of protein is exactly what your body needs to jumpstart into fat-burning mode. So whether you prefer a warm cup of coffee or an iced alternative, give the following recipe a try. With over 20 grams of protein per serving and only 1 gram of sugar, trust me, you'll never think about breakfast the same way again. Now, to complete this simple 2-minute recipe, you're simply going to brew your favorite coffee as normal. Now, I loved iced coffee, so I'm using Starbucks cold brew that you can get from the grocery store. And instead of adding cream or sugar, I'm going to add 1 scoop of level 1 protein powder by First Form. Now, because it's the holidays, I'm adding the peppermint bark flavor, but truly any flavor will work. Some of my favorites for this recipe include cinnamon cookie batter, vanilla milkshake, and German chocolate cake. Now, I recommend using level 1 protein powder specifically because it's a high quality product. It's a smooth powder, so you're not going to be left with that gritty feeling, and it's easy on my stomach, meaning no gas, burps, bloat, or upset stomach. So I simply add 1 scoop into my normal coffee. I prefer to use a handheld frother to mix this combo, but a regular spoon will do. And what I'm left with is an amazingly smooth cup of coffee for a fraction of the price. Per serving, this decadent coffee treat rings in for less than $2. Now, for best results, I do want to share a few quick tips. Understand that adding protein powder to hot coffee will cause protein powder to clump. So allow hot coffee to cool until warm and then mix protein powder into the coffee until smooth. If you prefer not to let your coffee cool, then dissolve the protein powder into water or low-fat milk and then add it into the coffee. Now, in the description box below, I've linked all the products I mentioned within this video, and if you're interested in trying level 1 protein powder, then definitely shop through the links below because you'll receive free express shipping on your order. Now, that is all for me. If you enjoyed the content of this video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below if you've given protein coffee a try. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I will see you in the next video.